It's okay, I've got us. We'll roll back because we're on a little bit of a hill. So I've got the car held still. Once you find the bite, I'll let the brake go. There you go. Brilliant. So let's just creep forward.
Oh no.
I'll tell you what, we'll wait for him. Look how fast he's coming here.
I know.
So, this is a 20-mile-an-hour speed limit, isn't it? How fast do you think he was going there?
Lot 20.
So, I've got you on the brake, so find the gas. Find the gas, find the bite. I'll give you the clutch back now. And once we get a gap, so do you think we can go maybe after the white van?
Yeah.
We need the handbrake here, because we're on a bit of a
Sorry.
hill.
Did
It's
you
alright,
just put the
I've got
brake
you.
on?
Yeah. I'll give you it back now. It's a clutch right the way down. It's okay. Can't go yet anyway. That's good. Well done.
God, I'm so annoyed with myself.
That's okay. It's this much difference in the clutch. You couldn't have gone anywhere.
I'm gonna go really slow if that's
Okay.
It's
Creep
gonna
and peep.
be hard.
Well, yeah, it's working out what you've got ahead of you. That's it. So, take a deep breath. So let's set the gas, find the bite, so that you're ready to go if the opportunity presents itself. Bit more gas.